Did you know Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus can be connected to an iPhone and not just Samsung phones? And in this short video, I'll walk you through the steps of how to pair Galaxy Buds to your iPhone. Before starting, check to see if the earbuds have been paired to another device first. If they've previously been paired, go and turn off Bluetooth or delete it from the other device. Then place the Galaxy Buds back in their charging case for about 10 seconds. To start the connection process, open the lid on the charging case and you'll see the power light turn on. Now on your iPhone, go to your Bluetooth settings, and very quickly you'll see the Galaxy Buds Plus appear at the bottom of the device list. Now just tap on the name and you'll see it move up to the list of connected devices. And now your Galaxy Buds are ready to use with your iPhone. It's a super simple process for connecting to any phone or computer. And if you want to use the enhanced features of your Galaxy Buds, then download and install the Galaxy Buds app on your phone. With the app, you'll be able to access enhanced features like equalization, customized touch controls, and even find your earbuds when they're lost. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.